Lesson 6. By the end of this English mini lesson 6, you will have focused on, learned, and practiced the following objectives. How to make questions about personal information: name, job, address, phone number, email, etc. Welcome to Level 1 Beginner A1. My name's Hassan, or I am Hassan. So for example, you can change your name, or you can put your name here. My name's David, my name's John, my name's Jim, my name's Nancy, my name's Barbara, etc. Your name's Fatima, or your Fatima. This is Asil. This is my friend Huda. Good morning, good morning. So when someone says to us good morning, we answer by good morning. Good morning, good morning. If they say good afternoon, we respond good afternoon. If they say good evening, good evening. Good night, good night. Conversation 1. Asking about names. Hello, I am Hassan. What's your name? My name's Jim. Hello, Jim. Hello, Hassan. So practice a conversation like this by using your name and the name of another person. Hello, I am Hassan. What's your name? My name's Jim. Hello, Jim. Hello, Hassan. Now we have possessive adjectives we saw before. So when we have my plus noun, for example, my name, my class, my pencil, my book, my paper, my pen, my laptop, my table, my TV. And we have your plus noun, your name, your class, your pencil, your book, your paper, your pen. So try to practice them many times and try to add other nouns. Verb to be are, is in the singular form. I am, I am. You're, you are. His, she's, it's. He is, she is, it is. In the plural form, where, we are. You're, you are. There, they are. So the verb to be is very important in English because it is used in all or in many sentences in English. It is the most used verb or word in English. Now we are going to have subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Now we are going to add another word to make a sentence with verb to be. I am happy. I am happy. You're sad. You're sad. He's okay. She's okay. It's okay. We're good. You're sick. They're well. So this is verb to be plus the adjective sad, happy, okay, good, sick, well. So this is positive form. In the negative form, we add the word not, or the contracted form or the short form n apostrophe t. I am not happy. You aren't sad. He isn't okay. She isn't okay. It isn't okay. We aren't good. You aren't sick. They aren't well. To make a question, we need to make the verb to be first and the subject pronoun second. Am I happy? Are you sad? Is he okay? Is she okay? Is it okay? Are we good? Are you good? Are they good? So now what you need to do is just to practice verb to be in the positive form, negative form, and question form. And it's very important to remember that in the question form, the verb to be comes first, then the subject pronouns. So practice them many times to know them well. Conversation 2. So in conversation 2, we are going to use the expression this is. So we use the expression this is when we want to introduce people to each other. For example, number 1, Mom, this is my friend Edward. Edward, this is my mom. Hello, Edward. Hello. So try to practice conversations by just changing mom and Edward. This is, so if we want to introduce people to each other, we use the expression this is. This is Khalid. This is Janet. This is Fatima. This is Sonia. This is Catherine. This is Sarah. This is Fadwa. Repeat after me. This is my mother. This is my father. This is my family. This is my husband. This is my wife. This is my boss. This is my friend. And you can add any person you want to introduce. So it's very simple. Just use this is and the name of the person you want to introduce. Conversation number 3. Hello, my name's Hassane Khalloush. Hello, I am Christina Douglas. Happy to meet you, Christina. Happy to meet you, Hassane. Let's repeat. Hello, my name's Hassane Khalloush. Hello, I am Christina Douglas. Happy to meet you, Christina. Happy to meet you too, Hassane. So try to change the names and to practice the conversation. Conversation number 4. Hi, George, how are you? So there is a missing interrogation mark or question mark. I am okay. Thanks, Hassane. And you? I am wonderful. Thanks. So here when we ask about the health of people or how do they feel or how are they, so we ask, okay, by this question, how are you? And the answer, I am okay, thanks, or I am wonderful, thanks. Practicing answers of this question, how are you? So when people ask you how are you, there are many ways to say how do you feel. For example, how are you? I'm happy, thanks. I am glad, thanks. I am good, thanks. I am very good. I am well, thanks. I am very well, thank you. I am fine, thanks. I am all right, thank you. I am still surviving. Now I am going to ask you the question and try to answer me using one of these expressions. How are you? You can say, I am well, thanks. Another question. How are you? I am all right, thank you. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. So these are many ways to respond to this question, how are you? Now let's go to the negative feelings. When we ask how are you, I am not happy. I am not glad. I am not good. I am not very good. I am not well. I am not very well. I am not fine. I am not all right. So now we are going to ask you how are you and you choose any answer of these answers. How are you? I am not very well. How are you? I am not good. How are you? I am not fine. So yes, you can answer with any expression you like. What's this in English? So many times we have to ask this question when we don't understand a certain thing and we want to ask about it. So the question is, what's this in English? What's this in English? Repeat after me. What's this in English? What's this in English? We have many possible answers. It's a mobile. It's a teddy bear. It's a newspaper. It's a magazine. It's a picture. It's a painting. It's a glass. So I'm going to ask you the question and you try to use any answer you like. What's this in English? It's a picture. What's this in English? It's a teddy bear. What's this in English? It's a painting. You can choose any answer from this set of answers. Now, in the answer, we have it's an. Why do we have the word an? Before we had a, because we use a when we have a noun that starts with a consonant. So in the first example, a and m. So m is a consonant. A and t. T is a consonant. A and n. N is a consonant. But when we go to the next group, we have an egg. So we have a and a. Egg starts with a. And we have two vowels. When we have two vowels, we put n between the two vowels. For example, we cannot say it's an egg. No, it's an egg. What's this in English? It's an egg. It's an egg. It's an egg. The second one. What's this in English? It's an elephant. It's an elephant. It's an elephant. Number 3. What's this in English? It's an apple. It's an apple. Number 4. What's this in English? It's an orange. It's an orange. It's an orange. Number 5. What's this in English? It's an ocean. It's an ocean. It's an ocean. It's an ocean. What's this in English? It's an island. It's an island. It's an island. It's an island. What's this in English? It's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. Now I'm going to ask you the question and choose any answer you like. What's this in English? It's an elephant. What's this in English? It's an apple. What's this in English? It's an ocean. You can choose any answer. Now we are going to make personal questions using these words: name, family name, job, address, phone number, mobile number, and email. So all these words we can use with them just 3 words, and we are going to make a meaningful question in English. Let's see. Now we are going to use these special 3 words to make questions related to personal information. So the 3 words are what is your, or what's your. What's your. The first question is going to be, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Number 2, what's your family name? What's your family name? Number 3, what's your job? What's your job? What's your job? Number 4, what's your address? What's your address? What's your address? Number 5, what's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? And number 6, what's your mobile number? Repeat with me, or repeat after me. The first one, what's your name? Number 2, what's your family name? Repeat after me. What's your job? Repeat after me. What's your address? Repeat after me. What's your phone number? Repeat after me. What's your mobile number? We are going to use these special 2 words to make questions related to personal information. The 2 words are you? The first question is going to be, are you married? Are you married? Are you married? Repeat after me. Are you married? Are you married? Number 2, repeat after me. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Repeat after me. Number 3. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Number 4. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? We notice that the 4 questions have the 2 words are you. So in these questions we need to write are you. Repeat with me for the last time this group Are you married? How are you? How old are you? Where are you from? We are going to make questions with the verb like. Which country do you like? Which country do you like to visit? I repeat the two questions. Which country do you like? Which country do you like to visit? Now we have the two groups of questions. The first question is with what's your, and the second one with are you. So you need to practice them a lot to remember them. Let's see the group of what's your. Number one, what's your name? Number two, what's your job? Number three, what's your phone number? Number four, what's your address? Number five, what's your email? Repeat after me. What's your name? What's your job? What's your phone number? What's your address? What's your email? Let's go to the group of are you. How are you? Repeat after me. How old are you? Where are you from? Are you married? Which country do you like? Which country do you like to visit? Now let's repeat from number 1 to number 11. Okay, for the last time, repeat after me. What's your name? What's your job? What's your phone number? What's your address? What's your email? How are you? How old are you? Where are you from? Are you married? Which country do you like? Which country do you like to visit? That's the end of this English mini lesson 6. In lesson 7, we'll practice more today's questions with their answers. For more videos from me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy English Hassane, as a sign of support and caring. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact me. Wish you all the best. Hassane. See you soon on Easy English Hassane Lesson 7.